even when it always ends in pain, are often caught in something called repetition compulsion. Repetition compulsion is a subconscious drive to recreate familiar emotions, even the painful ones, in hopes of mastering them. Neuroscience shows the amygdala and hippocampus store early emotional memories and recognize familiar feelings as safe, not dangerous. So when someone triggers the same kind of chaos or neglect you once felt, your brain doesn't run, it leans in. Psychologically, this creates the illusion that this time maybe the story will end differently, but each time the cycle repeats, dopamine spikes with hope, then crashes with disappointment. Healing begins when you stop chasing resolution through others and start noticing what familiar really means. Familiar isn't always love,